hey, I want you to listen to this and give it some thought. The longer you stay in the wrong train, the more expensive it becomes to come home. Just think about that for a second. What does that mean? The longer you stay in the wrong job, the wrong relationship, the wrong friendship, hanging out around the wrong crowd, the more expensive it gets to fulfill your goals and your dreams. So make sure you're living up to your standards that align with the goals and dreams you have in mind. And if that's not the case, you need to make a change. Because the longer you wait, the more and more expensive it gets to get to that destination. And it might get to a point where it's so expensive you cannot afford it anymore. That's the truth. We don't know how long we're gonna be here on Earth. We could be gone at any moment. Just because you're young and healthy, that doesn't mean you're immortal. One day we're all gonna go, and we don't know when that day is. So make sure that while you're here, you live a life that aligns with what you want by being respectful to others, helping others when you can, and just overall a fulfilling life. And that's all I want to leave you guys with today.